to Dream It, Do It. It's day 16 and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. We are going to be talking about becoming your own boss. It's all about how you can create a business of your own. It can start from a tiny little seed and grow into something that provides you with an ongoing income, whether that's as a side hustle or whether ultimately you want it to become your main thing, your main source of income. Looking back to when we filled out our wheel of life, what did you score yourself for business and career? And importantly, is the reason for your score because you're not where you want to be in your business or your career? Or is it because you're thinking actually that maybe it's not the right career for you and you'd like to make a change into a different career? Or perhaps it's because what you'd really like is to become your own boss and create your own business so that you can work for yourself, work from home or wherever you choose and really call the shots for yourself. If your answer is that you're happy with the current career and job that you're in, but perhaps maybe there's room for growth and improvement, going for a promotion or a pay rise or taking a training at work, then all you need to do is write down actions that you can take to move yourself to where you want to be. Perhaps you need to talk to your line manager to ask them for some help on what are the things you need to do to get to that next level. But essentially, you're in the right framework already. You just need to keep going in that direction. Or perhaps your goal is to actually break away from your existing career and find something new, perhaps even starting your own business. If that's the case, then today's video is really for you. Today I'm talking about creating your own business. In my opinion, there's never been a better time to start your own online business. The world has been shifting over the last year or two as it is, and many people are realising that the work situation that they had before is no longer for them. They want more work-life balance. And if that's you, and it certainly was me, then creating a business of your own that you can build up from small but into something big is a perfect way to jump from corporate to homegrown business. And homegrown business doesn't have to be small. It can start small, but it can grow huge. I know plenty of people who have had great successes with online business, and I am following in their footsteps myself. So if you are interested in creating a business of your own, the first question is, what is that business going to be? So I have a little exercise for you right now. I'd like you to take out your notebook and pen and just take up to 5 minutes to write down a list of hobbies, skills and talents that you feel that you have. Things that you love to do and that bring you joy that you also have a natural knack for. So pause me right now and go and write your list. Now that you have a list of things that you could potentially build a business from, the next step is to work through that list to see, okay, what could I actually make a business from here? There are various different ways that you can take your hobbies, skills and talents and turn those into businesses. So for example, we could be talking creating a book, creating a course, creating products that you sell online, offering services. There are so many different ways to create an online business. Over the past few years, I've created several different income streams, all of them simply using my laptop, my knowledge, and services that I can make use of online. I'm going to share with you some different online businesses that you can create, most of which I've tested out in some way or I am actually still running as an online business now. So here we go. So first up is book publishing. You can take knowledge that you have and create a book that you then publish. You can use the KDP publishing program that Amazon have available to you. It's free to use. There's very low cost to start up for publishing books on Amazon. Or if you don't feel that you can write a book yourself, You could just project manage the creation of a book and still fully own that book and publish it on Amazon, but you simply weren't the one who wrote the book. You can hire a ghostwriter to do that for you. I've done this several times and I still have books that are on sale today under pen names on Amazon, bringing me a passive income. So it's a great way to build up a passive income if you're happy to play the long game and create books up front, books that are interesting and appealing and are in a niche that is popular on Amazon. Next up, if you love crafting, you're arty, you've got a skill that you can create things, then selling products on a service such as Etsy is a great way to start a business, especially if you can tap into a niche that people are looking for. For example, in this past year, I discovered many sellers who are creating Disney themed products around ears, bath scents, candle waxes, all of those kind of things. Also, people love to buy unique and individual gifts for Christmas and birthdays. So if you can come up with some unique ideas to sell on Etsy, you're onto a winner. Another fun business that you can start is creating your own blog. Becoming a blogger, if you can be consistent with it and creating posts that add value, how-tos, things that are interesting to people that draw readers to you, as your blog grows in popularity and in visitors to your site over time, there are many ways that you can monetize it, including advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsorship deals, to name just a few. On a similar note, you could consider starting a podcast. If speaking is more your thing than writing, it's another great way to create an income stream. Ways that you can monetize a podcast include advertising, of course, and sponsorship deals. It's also a great outlet to sell any products that you have created for sale. So it's a great one to combine with another business, or it's also great for affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? In essence, it's where you partner with a brand to help them sell a product or a service that perhaps they are about to launch or that they want more people to see, and to have a personal advocate talking about that product on their behalf. The best way to get involved with affiliate marketing is finding products that you really care about, that you use, and that really mean something and align with your brand values. So the way that affiliate marketing tends to work on the whole is you share about the product or service on your blog, your podcast, your YouTube, your social media, or whatever your forum is. And as you're talking about it, you can share a link that is unique to you for people to go and purchase the product or service. When any sales are made using your unique link, you make a commission from those sales. So to recap, affiliate marketing works beautifully with any online outlet that you have to talk to the wider public, be that a blog, a YouTube channel, TikTok, Instagram, any form of social media, or a podcast. Basically anywhere that you have an audience of people who may be interested in the product or service that you are talking about. Another way for you to make money online is by becoming a virtual assistant. This can help you make a smooth transition from a paid job to working for yourself from home. Fundamentally, you are offering assistant services for skills that you have to other people running their businesses. There are sites such as Upwork and Fiverr where you can advertise your services. People can come and find you, and as you build up a reputation, you can do gigs for them to help them with things that they need. For example, they might want some artwork doing, they might want a logo creating, they might want voiceovers, they might want a blog post writing. There are literally hundreds of different types of services that you could offer as a virtual assistant. And finally, I've left my personal favourite to last. Find a company who has a structure in place that allows you to create your own business to sell their products. These companies are often referred to as direct sales companies or network marketing companies. There are many reasons why this is a perfect way to get into running your own business. So why do I love this business model so much? If you can find a company whose product that you love, you will find that you will have a supportive community around you, a ready-to-go business model set up. You don't have to create any of the products or the back office systems. It's all set up for you. All you need to do is join up and you're ready to go. There is a lot of training and equally a lot of support. And for me, the best part is the amazingly supportive community and just feeling part of something that's bigger than myself. Whichever kind of online business you decide to get started with, you should know that at times it can feel like a bit of a lonely venture. You're ultimately on your own, especially in the beginning before you're earning enough to build your own team. And there's going to be a pretty steep learning curve in any of these ventures if you want to get set up successfully. That's why I recommend that whatever business you decide to start, do go out, find yourself a mentor, pay for some good training. Don't just use free training that's available online. I've done that in the past. Believe me, it will take you so much longer to get started, and there's nothing like having someone on hand that you can go to with the difficult questions when you get stuck along the way. Paying for a mentor upfront is going to drastically cut your learning curve and get you up and running that much quicker so that you can make a success of it. If you're thinking about starting your own online business and you're looking for a business mentor, then I do offer an online business mentorship program. I'd be happy to talk to you about what it's like to be on Team Sunshine, the training that I offer, the opportunities that are available. We have trips, gifts, recognition, and amazing camaraderie. We're actually part of the #1 team in the whole company for the business that we're in, which is personal fitness coaching, and I absolutely love it. When you become a part of my business mentorship, my ultimate mission is to help you succeed in building your online business. I'm here to support you 100%, to give you the training and the support that you need. I'm here for any of those questions that you think are stupid but really aren't, to get you the answers and get you getting results as soon as possible. So if you'd like to join my business mentorship, do be sure to fill out the form at inspiringlifedesign.com/mentorship. I would love to talk to you more about what we have to offer. What I would say from my personal experience is that this is a wonderfully low cost way to get into starting your own business, getting lots of fabulous training, meeting other like-minded people who are building similar businesses and learning from them and growing with them. And the opportunities are endless. It's a really exciting company to be a part of and a really exciting time to join. So do let me know if you'd like more information. Do you already have your own online business? If so, I'd love to hear about it. Is it one of the ones I've talked about today, or perhaps something different? Let me know in the comments. I'm always interested in what people do to make a side income. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video and it's given you some food for thought, maybe just triggered the idea that you could become your own boss in the future. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please do give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back tomorrow for more of Dream It, Do It. Keep on dreaming big. Bye for now.